Wait, let me teach you this hairstyle. It is the easiest, but it looks difficult and unique. Now, this is what you're going to do. Just grab your Brazilian wool or any kind of wool you can easily get and twist and twist and twist like so. Just do exactly what you're seeing in this video. This is very, very easy. After that, you tie it up like so. Then you're going to roll it very easily. This is a unique hairstyle. You'd hardly see this hairstyle anywhere. I believe you give it a trial. Now let's do something else. So this beautiful hairstyle is what we're going to be trying. You're going to use your Brazilian wool, then your kinky attachment at the tip of this hairstyle. So you're going to twist it like so, and this is what it looks like. Very neat and unique. Then you're going to pack it like this and use your rubber band, and voila, this is so fine. I believe you're going to try this out. Now this is something you are going to do with your edge control and your attachment. Just do this. If you don't have long nails, you can use your comb for this. I believe you're going to try this out. This is a very fine and unique hairstyle. I love it so much, and this is loved by a lot of people. Now look at this unique hairstyle as well. You're going to do this with your kinky attachment and your spoke. So you're going to put it in like so. Very easy. Now you see what we have here, and you're going to use your wool and tie it like this, very firm. Then you're going to tie it again like this. And you're going to tie it up again like this. Wow, it's looking unique already. Now this is what you're going to do here. You chook it into this one and arrange it properly. Then you chook this one into this one, arrange it properly, and then you do the last one as well. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this unique style. We have something else for you. But if you've not liked this video, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please like this video before you see the next hairstyle. Now this is something super unique. I'm sure you've not seen this anywhere, but if you have, let me know in the comment section. Now you're going to use your attachment and twist it like this, and you're going to plait a little braid, a little normal braid, the normal braid you know already. Then you're going to pick just a little bit of the attachment and hold the other parts very firmly, and you're going to plait very tightly in a way as if you're plaiting just the tiny one. So the tiny one is the one that is doing all the work here, while it goes around the bigger ones. So this hairstyle is not easy, but you just have to be patient with it. You keep on tying it up, using the smaller one and making it go around the two bigger ones. You keep on doing this and you see the results. This is a very unique African hairstyle. I think you should try it out. Now look at this one, very easy, and we're making use of the Brazilian hair, which is the Brazilian wool actually. Now you hold it firmly and tie. This hair looks so neat and it's going to last long. Now you're going to divide it like so. You're going to arrange it like so, and you plait and pull. You keep on pulling, making sure that it is strong. Okay, you keep on pulling, and then you tie it up at the tip. Then you cut off the excess part. You're going to use your lighter and make the mount look neat. Okay, thanks for watching. Look at this unique hairstyle. This one you can try this for your daughter, and this one you can try it for yourself. Very unique, very neat, and so beautiful. If you like what you're seeing, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done that already, and give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to come to the comment section. Let's connect. Let's be friends on this space. Thanks again. I remain Queen the Creative. Bye for now.